Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to apply motion blur effects in VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to apply motion blur effects in VN, all you gotta do is simply go to VN video editor. Once you have simply gone to VN video editor, you can simply select your clip and use the blur tool from the bottom toolbar and choose a style. You can simply select a horizontal, vertical, radial for motions and any other options and adjust the intensity slider. You can also use the keyframing to control where the blur starts, stops and changes intensity as your subject moves. Now this will create a realistic motion effect. So if you have done this, then you will be able to apply motion blur effects in your VN. So this is the simple method to do so. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.